My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called FridayBoycrazy. FridayBoycrazy is a ransomware that may encrypt the files. My video though is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this FridayBoycrazy ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so then very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware called FridayBoycrazy encrypts files and appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note titled as warning, and also it changes the desktop background. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. You may upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which will be able to decrypt the files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.